ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered to commemorate a significant chapter in our nation history, the Quit India movement. Presented by Brinda that beautifully captures the essence of patriotism and the sacrifice made during the Quit India movement.
Expected Quit India, the roar of 1942. In the heat of summer, the air stood still under foreign rule on a broken hill. The soil was thirsty, the souls were sore. A nation stood silently, asking for more. Then a voice rose, a whisper, a plea from a leader of peace for all to be free. He gave us a mantra, a final, clear call to stand as a nation, to rise and not fall. Leave India now, your rule must end. Quit India, the message from leader to friend. Do or die was the cry. A challenge so bold, a new final story was ready to unfold. The leaders were taken the depth of the night, but the people stood up and fought for their right. The farmer, the student, the mother, the son. The fight had now started. The march had begun. No guns, no swords, just a spirit so strong. Million protest where they truly belong. They faced the lathis, the jails, and the pain. With the fire in their hearts like a summer storm rain. It was a wave of resistance so pure and so vast. A movement of people built to truly last. built to truly last. It shook the foundation of power and might and promised the dawn after a long, dark night. Though freedom came later, this battle was key. It taught us to rise, united and free. The roar of 1942, a story of pride in every Indian's heart, forever resides. Thank you.
What आज का समाचार है देशभक्ति केवल नारे लगाने में नहीं बल्कि अपने देश की सेवा करने उसकी समस्याओं को समझने और उन्हें हल करने में है। आइए हम सब मिलकर अपने देश को एक बेहतर स्थान बनाने का संकल्प लें। धन्यवाद। Good morning everyone. Today's thought is every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country but with certain duties. Thank you. Freedom is not a commodity but a treasure which is only obtained after a lot of toil and sacrifice. Good morning everyone, compassionate Principal Ma'am, esteemed teachers and my dear friends. Today we stand before you to talk about a moment in our history that truly embodies this idea. A movement that transformed the silent dream of freedom into a powerful collective roar. We are here to speak about the Quit India movement. By 1942, India's patience with British rule was at a breaking point. The British were fighting World War II, but Indians were not the partners in this war. They were the simply resource to be exploited. When the Cripps mission failed to offer a satisfactory plan for India's future, it became clear that British would not leave their own. Our freedom had to be demanded. It was on August 8, 1942, in Bombay, that the All India Congress Committee passed the historic Quit India resolution. It was not just a political demand, it was a call to the conscience of a nation. Mahatma Gandhi, our father of the nation, gave a simple but powerful mantra, do or die. He urged every Indian to either work to free India or die trying, but not to live to see our slavery continue. What happened next was unprecedented. Within hours, all major leaders including Gandhi, Nehru and Patel were arrested. The British thought by jailing the leaders they could kill the movement, but they were wrong. The Quit India movement became a spontaneous leaderless revolution. The people became themselves their own leaders. The protests were widespread and fierce, with a firm commitment to non-violence, while the British responded with brutal force, jailing over 1 lakh people and using lathi charges and firing. The spirit of the movement remained unbroken. The Quit India movement proved to the British that their time was up. It sent an unmistakable message that they could not longer govern India without the consent of its people. This mass uprising fueled by ordinary citizens was the final and the most powerful push that paved the way for our independence. 5 years later, it reminds us freedom is not a gift, it is right, must be earned and protected. I conclude with a thought from Mahatma Gandhi himself. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Thank you and Jai Hind. From the pages of history to the headlines of today, staying informed is key. Here is Navya to update us on the latest events from around the globe.
Headlines are: CBSE asks schools to follow attendance norms for board exam strictly. There is record coral decline in Great Barrier Reef. At 8, Tanishka is the youngest Punjab female chess player to earn FIDE rating. Post cloud burst, flash flood, swallows blaze in Uttarakhand. India and the Philippines signed 14 memoranda of understanding. Now some sports news. Punjab Jharkhand enter sub-junior hockey national final. In cricket, Young India passes trial by fire. Thank you and have a nice day.
The fight for freedom was not just for the leaders in the city. It was the movement of the masses. A nukkad natak or street play was a powerful way to spread the message of freedom. As students will present a powerful street play depicting the struggles and spirit of the Quit India movement. Please welcome them.
आवाज सुनो सुनो इस जमीन की पुकार, सुनो इस देश के मजदूरों की पुकार, सुनो उस किसान की पुकार जिसके खेत में अनाज नहीं सिर्फ है लगान, सिर्फ है लगान।
दर्द भरा था सीना, खाली थे हाथ, गोरे अंग्रेजों का था राज और हम थे उनके गुलाम। क्या यही थी हमारी किस्मत? हाँ यही थी हमारी किस्मत, हाँ यही थी हमारी किस्मत, हाँ यही थी हमारी किस्मत, हाँ यही थी हमारी किस्मत।
खबर आई है गांधी बापू ने किया ऐलान, संदेश आया बॉम्बे से संदेश आया।
क्या संदेश है हमें भी बताओ क्या संदेश है।
बापू ने कहा अब और नहीं, अब बस एक ही है रास्ता, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो,
अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो।
फिर उसी रात बापू को, नेहरू को और सब बड़े नेताओं को जेल में डाल दिया। अंग्रेजों ने सोचा नेता नहीं आंदोलन नहीं,
नेता नहीं आंदोलन नहीं, नेता नहीं आंदोलन नहीं, नेता नहीं आंदोलन नहीं, नेता नहीं आंदोलन नहीं।
The leaders are in the jail. The movement is dead. No one to follow. They thought that these people will go back to their homes. Everything is peaceful now. क्या सच में आंदोलन खत्म हो गया था? क्या नेताओं के बिना ये देश चुप बैठ गया था?
क्या चुप बैठा था देश हमारा? क्या चुप बैठा था देश हमारा? क्या चुप बैठा था देश हमारा? क्या चुप बैठा था देश हमारा?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। नेता जेल में है, पर उनका संदेश हमारे दिल में है।
दिल में है संदेश हमारे दिल में है, दिल में है संदेश हमारे दिल में है।
हम छोटे नहीं, हम कमजोर नहीं। अब हर हिंदुस्तानी नेता है। गांधी बापू ने कहा था करो या मरो,
करो या मरो, करो या मरो, करो या मरो, करो या मरो, करो या मरो।
This was the revolution of the people. This was the roar of 1942. The British learned that you can jail a man, but you cannot jail an idea. And the idea of freedom was now stronger than ever. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Now, be ready for a rap. Let's start. This is not a beat, it is a heartbeat. Strong and true for the land we love. Red, white and blue. Hear the echoes of courage, a powerful plea. This the anthem for our freedom, for all us to be free.
From Amritsar sorrow to Gandhi's peaceful mind, Bhagat Singh fire burning ever so bright.
Shoulder to shoulder, they stood united front, breaking chains of empire, bearing freedom land. Freedom, freedom, hear the people, raw sacrifice and struggle from the shore. Descent assured, upright they paid fully for the liberty of the personal story bravely told. Jallianwala spent us, scared that us deep, Rani Lakshmibai promises we keep. Subhash Bose called a revolution embrace, defending our dignity, finding our plans. Freedom, freedom, hear the people, raw sacrifice and struggle from the shore. Descent assured, upright they paid fully for the liberty of the personal story bravely told. Quit India cried no more Polian slaves, take color and pearl lighting up the way. Remember their names as in his delight. For the freedom they want in India gallery mind. Peace, peace, we want peace, 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 we want peace, 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 we want peace, 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 we want peace. Thank you.
सदियों से है आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मैं मर भी जाऊं तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। सदियों से है आबाद और आबाद रहेगा। मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं,
मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं।
मेरे खून का हर कतरा जिंदाबाद कहेगा।
मेरे खून का हर कतरा जिंदाबाद कहेगा।
मैं मर भी जाऊं तो वतन ये याद रहेगा। ख्वाब से भी है बड़ी मेरे देश की कहानी। बाजुओं में इतना दम के पलट दे रवानी। कितनों ने लुटा दी इसकी शान में जवानी। एक पल न सोचो पड़े जान भी गवानी। पहुंचो कहीं भी घर मेरी
पहचान रहेगा।
मेरे देश का तिरंगा मेरी
शान रहेगा।
मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं।
मिट्टी में है जो इसकी महक और ना कहीं।
मेरे खून का हर कतरा जिंदाबाद कहेगा।
मेरे खून का हर कतरा जिंदाबाद कहेगा।
मैं मर भी जाऊं तो वतन ये याद रहेगा।
रग रग में है जीत की आदत। ऐसा हुनर दुश्मन की सलामी के। तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले, तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले। आखिर तक हम सफर तिरंगे के। जय हिंद जो नस नस में है, अरमानी फिर बस में है। इंसान के हिंदुस्तान सलाम सुफलाम सलाम सत्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम। सलाम सुफलाम जलयत शीतलाम सत्य श्यामलाम वंदे मातरम।
May not have brought immediate independence, but it was a clear message to the British that India would not be ruled without the consent of its people. As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, the preservation of freedom is not the task of the soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong. This moment reminds us that freedom is a collective responsibility, a value we must cherish and protect. We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am for her consent and support and guidance. Your presence today has made this assembly even more special. A big thank you to all our teachers for their encouragement and a huge round of applause for all the participants and a wonderful audience for being so attentive. Wishing you a day filled with pride and patriotism. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.